today I'm going to tell you about my favorite stuffed animal in the whole wide world. Sharky. Say hi, Sharky. Hi. His full name is Sharky Delicious. Earring Delicious, Chloe Delicious, Cupcake Delicious, Nummy Num. Is that right, Sharky? Yes, it's totally right. He loves getting petted on his fur. Look, he loves getting his fur very smooth. And he also got some braces to stop chomping some people. Sometimes he gets chomped when he's angry. Sometimes. But he's a very nice pet. So I often live with him sometimes. Bye! And don't forget to leave the comments below with a subscribe.